An oscilloscope is an electronic test instrument that can be used to measure and display voltages with respect to time, or a voltage with respect to another voltage. An oscilloscope can be used to examine both analog and digital signals. An oscilloscope is an extremely versatile piece of electronics test equipment. Let's look at some typical examples of an oscilloscope in use. One use for an oscilloscope is to show audio signals. This is displaying the voltage of the signal with respect to time. Here are a few examples.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
90.5 WBJB FM Lincroft, Middletown, now broadcasting in digital HD radio.
Oscilloscopes can also be used to view video signals, such as the video test pattern shown on the right. Here we can see the voltage, which corresponds to video track's amplitude, vary over time. Here's another example. This oscilloscope is displaying an AM radio transmission. AM stands for amplitude modulation.
Can you hear me now? This is Dave Ross on the CBX radio network.
For our last example, this oscilloscope is measuring one voltage with respect to another.